Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and we're about to go on a little boat cruise and then go grab some wine with some friends. This is the outfit. Just kind of in like a little cheetah print dress, casual makeup. Let's go have some fun. I'm really excited to go on the boat. I love being on a boat. I love a good boat ride. I love that Dylan's cutting his salad. That's a good one. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I was just sitting down and kind of like updating my calendar of everything that needs to be done this week. I usually on either like Sundays or Mondays will do like a whole week prep on my calendar that just like fills in anything that needs to be done this week. I kind of just like go from there. I kind of operate, unless it's like bigger things that are planned like way ahead in advance, I kind of operate on like a week to week basis just because it's a little bit easier for me to like focus that way. Yeah, and then I like goal set for the week so that I make sure that I have goals that I'm working towards. It just helps me feel really organized and put together and I know what's going on. Yesterday we actually did quite a bit of like work stuff for Beauty Alyssa Rose, which felt really good. Today, kind of the same on like a little bit of a smaller scale though, not as much to upload. It's more like behind the scenes stuff, which is always nice. Last night we took the dogs that were dog sitting on like a really long walk, which was so nice and so fun. And one of the like elementary schools that I went to is like somewhat in the area, so we walked to it and it was like so strange to stand there like at like the playground, and I was like envisioning little me like playing on the playground, and I was like, oh my gosh, if she could know that like me in like 15 years or whatever is like standing here and like knows everything that's going on, she would literally be like, oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Like, I don't know, I feel like she would be really proud and like stoked to know that that was in her future. So that was like a little sweet sentimental moment. And then we came back and I did a Pilates, I did a 15-minute full body Pilates and then a 10-minute Pilates legs. And it honestly felt so good. And then after we like hot tub and swam for a little bit, but the Pilates felt so good that I think I'm gonna do it again today, maybe like a different one, but I just did Pilates mat. It felt so good, so we're definitely gonna run it back today and get a little physical exercise in. That's everything I have to like update you guys on at the very moment. And also this Alani pink slush flavor is so good. It's my favorite Alani flavor. I just finished doing a 30-minute Pilates workout and I actually feel like I did good. I used to work out and like weight lift and do it like every day and like drink a ton of protein and take pre-workout, and I just feel like my body was always so tired. Felt like it's been like, I don't know, like too much. Like it just felt like too much. And ever since I started doing yoga and now mat Pilates, my body feels so good and it feels like it gets what it needs, but not too much strain, if you know what I mean. Good morning. It is Wednesday today and Keenan and I are getting ready. We're about to just go stop at like a little coffee shop for some breakfast, and I think I'm gonna get matcha. I'm kind of feeling a matcha today. And then we're gonna go play tennis with Dylan and then come back and enjoy the pool. This is the little tennis fit we're working with today. The tennis outfit, the top is from Fabletics, the bottom skirt is from Nike, and then Nike. I'm excited to go and get my body moving. I've been feeling so good lately doing Pilates mat and just like walking and getting more back into the wellness grind. I feel like I took a little pause for a second. There was so much going on that it was all like health stuff. So I feel good now being able to get back into the wellness grind.
Was that out?
I was in.
Oh! Dirty love.
Nice. You got that? Nice. Nice, Dylan! Yes! Nice. Out! We won. Woo! We won!
I really came in the last
7-2, guys.
for the
I beat them
camera. It's all
7-2.
for the camera.
We're winners!
You guys won that. You guys killed that.
Full time.
A clap from the spectators.
Full time.
Thank you.
They clap like this.
Little golf clap.
Somebody like knocks at the door. I jump up. I'm not expecting it. And Dylan's like, no guys, it's okay. Crumbl has been delivered.
Fresh to chocolate. And
Fruit to
then I
chocolate.
think we go strawberry shortcake
And then the
because
cinnamon.
I think that's my least favorite.
And
And then
cinnamon
go
last.
save cinnamon, the best for last. It's nice and warm like a
Okay.
dessert. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert.
Okay. Wait, can you show breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert?
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, Dylan.
It's a mix, you know.
That was actually pretty good.
Cheers.
I already took a bite. It reminds me of those things we were talking about today.
The hostess.
The hostess cupcake.
And
That's pretty good.
2 for 2, Crumbl. We're off to a good start.
This is the strawberry shortcake. I have my little. I take a bite of each and then decide what my favorite is.
How was that one? You like that one?
I love that one.
Really? Yeah, I can't do that one.
I liked it. I didn't mind
I
it.
think this is my favorite so far.
Me too. So far, yeah. The fruit, patriotic fruit pizza, is number 1.
I have to eat the whole thing in one bite. That's the rule. Yeah, get that one.
Cheers. This is number 1. But I knew it was gonna take number 1. A snickerdoodle cookie with cinnamon toast crunch on top.
I think that one's still on top.
What?
I go cinnamon toast, patriotic pizza platter, strawberry chocolate. Boom. That's my list. What's your list? Because why was I that involved? Why was I that invested? You clocked me on that. It's so funny.
Period.
Happy Thursday. It's currently 9 a.m. I'm sitting outside and about to start editing this vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. You guys should definitely subscribe. I know I keep saying this, but something so big is in store, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, and for you guys to be a part of it with me. It's so crazy. 2 more weeks. Just 2 more weeks. And then you'll know everything. Then you'll know all the tea, and I'll be able to talk to you guys and not have to like not be able to tell you guys stuff. So definitely stay tuned. thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys either on Tuesday for a weekly tutorial Tuesday, or next week for the weekly vlog on Thursday. I love you beauties, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.